Your PPPoE customer calls. Their router screen says, no response from server. Or maybe, invalid username or password. Now what? Freeisp now has fixed PPPoE. It takes the error your customer is seeing, turns it into a live check on your Mikrotik right from your dashboard. Got no response from the server? Enter the port your customer is plugged into, and it confirms whether your PPPoE server is plugged and answering up to that port. Invalid username or password? It reads you the exact username or password stored on the router so you can read them straight back to your customer. Stuck on checking username? It shows you the link is weak or overchained and which ports to test. And your dial-up is connected but no internet. It checks your NAT live and fixes it with one button. To use it, open your admin panel, go to Fix PPPoE, then enter the error your customer is seeing. Each one even shows the exact error screen, so you know you're in the right place.